and Bailey. Today is Farmhouse Day, and I did Farmhouse Christmas ornaments. I hope they're Farmhouse, but anyway, I did Christmas ornaments. Our host is Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY, and Krista's Crafty Life. Please check out their channel and the amazing creators in the playlist for all kinds of farmhouse Christmas inspiration. Okay, now we're going to add our transfers. And I picked 3. Well, I picked 4 because I'm not sure if these will all fit. Oh, that one will fit nice. So I'll pick out the ones I like first. I just got to make sure that they fit. And that one's definitely going to fit. That one will fit nicely too. And here's our last one. I chose cardinals. The one isn't a cardinal, but I want my cardinals if they fit. So I just use this. I can't find my scraper. I looked everywhere. I'm gonna just use this tumbling tower block to rub this on. And I think it's doing better than my scraper. Oh, shouldn't tell all the secrets. Looky there, did perfectly. Now let's add on our cardinal over here. Why didn't somebody tell me the tumbling tower blocks work really well for a scraper? For these transfers. Look how nice that turned out. And then here's our last one. Okay, now I'm going to take some of our twine, and I just want to wrap it around the edges. And this isn't hot glue, so there's that. This is a cold glue that I use. I just want to cover up that edge a little bit. And I'm going to do this on all 3 of them. Oh. I was going to cut that, but I don't think I am. I think I'm going to loop it and make our tie. I'm going to glue this on the back, and this will be our hanger for our ornament. Last but not least, I'm going to take one of these pre-made bows. I buy these on Amazon. They're a lot easier than making them myself. And I'm going to add that where I started, just to cover it up. Just at where I cut to cover up where I started putting the twine around the edges. Just to make it look cleaner. And if you don't want cardinals, you could do chickens, you could do any kind of farmhouse or woodland theme that you have. I know I have a friend that does polar bears. She could do polar bear transfers. Have a friend that has a chicken tree, so she could do chickens on this. So it's whatever your theme is for your tree. You could even do little gingerbreads and do the same theme. Okay, we're gonna fill our clear ornament with a little snow. I think that's good. And now I'm gonna take, actually I think this came from the Dollar Tree, the pine. And I'm gonna snip this in half because it's way too big. Okay, I'm gonna take a little glue and add this little white berry on it. And I hope this fits. Yeah, that's perfect. We're gonna put our cap back on. And if you have to, add a dollop of hot glue. Because some of these can be stubborn. Then you can either add just a jute twine. I thought I'd add the peppermint white and red. And I'm going gonna start wrapping those. I seen an ornament like this at home when I went to At Home, and I thought, you know, that would be so easy to make. Okay, now I'm going to trim this. And this will be our front. So I'm going to add a bow so we know what's front. Okay, now let's add hot glue. Here is our 4 farmhouse ornaments. First is our little branch with our rope, and then our cardinals. Tell me what you like best. I love the cardinals.